In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize the compose window. If you're writing a message in a web browser and need to quickly clear your screen to check something else, minimizing the compose window is a fast, safe way to tuck it out of the way without closing your draft. I'm going to walk you through 3 simple ways to do it on a computer, plus how to bring it back when you're ready to continue. Start with the title bar. Look for the dark or gray bar running across the very top of your compose window. This is the area that usually shows new message or your message subject. Click once directly on that bar. In many email and messaging interfaces, a single click here collapses the compose window into a compact strip, typically anchored near the bottom right of your screen. It's a quick, no-fuss way to minimize without hunting for icons. Next, use the minimize icon. In the top right corner of the compose window, you'll usually see a small dash or minus symbol. Click that dash to minimize. The result is the same. The compose window collapses to a small bar, keeping your draft safely out of the way while you continue browsing or reviewing other messages. If your window is already popped out and floating, this icon behaves just like a traditional minimize button you might recognize from other apps. If you prefer the keyboard, there's also a shortcut. When keyboard shortcuts are enabled and your compose window is popped out as its own floating box, press the ESC key. That instantly minimizes the compose window. Make sure the compose window is active first by clicking inside it. Otherwise, the S key might affect the page behind it. If nothing happens, your keyboard shortcuts might be turned off for your account, or the compose window may not be in a popped out state. When you're ready to get back to your draft, restoring it is easy. Move your cursor to the bottom right area of your screen and click the minimize compose bar to expand it again. You'll pick up right where you left off. If you have more than one minimized draft, you may see multiple bars stacked together. Click the one you want to bring it back to full size. A quick tip before we wrap up. Minimizing does not send, delete, or close your message. It simply hides it so you can focus on something else. Use whichever method feels most natural, title bar, minimize icon, or ESC, and you'll keep your workspace clean without losing your place.